Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start in game, immediately open the developer console so you can inspect what Brookhaven is doing. Press F9, on some laptops press FN plus F9, and wait for the floating window to appear. Once visible, glance at the top row of tabs: Log, Server, Client, Memory, Stats. Make sure you're on the Log tab first, because it shows errors and warnings. If the console doesn't show, restart Roblox and verify system hotkeys. Once the console is open, navigate deliberately. The Log tab lists warnings and errors, while Client and Server separate local versus remote messages, which explains where a problem originates. Use the filter box to narrow messages by keyword, then right-click or copy the lines you need. Expand stack traces to locate the precise script and line number. You can enter read-only queries in the bottom command bar for inspection. Be cautious and avoid commands that change the game unless you have permission. Finish by saving what you found. Copy the key log entries or export the console output, then include those details in a bug report to the Brookhaven developers. Once done, close the console with F9 and relaunch the game to confirm whether the issue persists. If the console shows no output, make sure detailed logging isn't disabled in Roblox settings, or restart the client. That single troubleshooting step resolves most visibility problems quickly. Then rerun the steps to capture fresh data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.